So now we learn about offset. So what is offset actually? Offset means you have a line here and also you want to create a parallel line or similar line after a certain distance. So I will do that by using that option here. They have an option named offset, and in modify box we have an option like offset. Just simply click here, and after clicking it's telling us specify offset distance. So I will provide offset distance. Suppose I need a offset of that line after 6 inches. So I'll click here 6, and then I'll click here, and in which side I need offset. If you need offset in that side, then move your cursor here, or if you need a offset in that side, then move your cursor in that side. Then simply click on your mouse and see here a offset have been created. Same for that line. If you click here and if you move your mouse here, or click here and move your mouse here and click, so in this way you are able to create offset. Okay, and also escape that, also press O and enter, then also you'll find out the offset options. Suppose you need a offset of 10 inch, then simply click here or click here and then click here. In this way you are also able to create offset of any component.